Hello viewers, welcome to linuxl.com. Today we're going to see how to install Taskel on Linux Mint 18.3 version. Taskel is a command line utility for Debian operating Linux systems for installing a group of packages at a single time. And using a Taskel, you can install the following stack server related packages like LAMP server, DNS server, mail server, and also Tomcat Java servers. So let's see how to install Taskel. So let's get started with the installation. By default, Taskel package is available under repositories. So in order to install it, make use of the following command to install. Now in order to continue, press Y. Now the Taskel has been completely installed. In order to start the Taskel from the command line, just simply type Tasksel, and now the installer page will open. Here you can choose any package to install on your machine. Now we're gonna install a LAMP server. So go and choose a LAMP server. You can choose the package by pressing the space bar and then enter OK. Now your console will open, and here you can monitor the installation process. Now during the MySQL server installation by Taskel, it will prompt for the MySQL root password, and you have to type your password here and repeat the password to confirm. Now the setup has been completed. To verify, open your browser and access the local host. So from this you can verify that LAMP server has been installed. Here is the Apache default page. Now let's create a PHP info file. And then let's try accessing this file in browser. So from this you can verify that LAMP server has been installed successfully using the Tasksel. So I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.